All right, today we're going to bring on infrared light therapy rep for joints, muscle inflammations, relief, elbow joints, and so forth. Now, this is a great gift too, not just for yourself, but for anybody that's processing some of these things. So let's put it together and see how to put it on and how to control the actual system.
Okay, so this is the light part. So you get it, put it on, simple to wear. You could turn it so it could fit you nice and cozy. Put it here like this, right where you want it. Here's the on. You have a timer on the on. So let's go ahead and try it. You have it on low. You go add what setting you want. It goes all the way to 4. You go down and your timer, it goes like 5 minutes on. You could add, by pressing the timer, you add more time. How much time do you want to go? It all depends on how much you want to use. I didn't need the extra part because it already goes around me fine. And you can see the lights are on. The lights are, let me show you guys. Here are the lights on. Well, I have it on me. There it is.